Vegetarian lasagna is so good. You're gonna want to make it. You're gonna chop some garlic, asparagus, some colored peppers, broccoli, zucchini. You're gonna chop some tomatoes, mushroom, and carrots. Saute in a pan, add salt, pepper, a touch of vegetable oil, and some Italian seasoning. Let them cook for 20 minutes until softened. You're gonna make the roux, flour, and butter. Add the milk gradually. Add a touch of nutmeg, let them come to a boil and thicken. Turn the heat off and add 2 eggs. Make sure the heat is off while you do this. Vegetables are soft and beautiful. You're going to add some tomato sauce or pasta sauce, whatever you like. Let them cook for 10 minutes. Set aside. You're going to start to assemble the lasagna. I'm using oven-ready lasagna. 1 layer of the vegetables, lots of parmesan, another layer, and so on. At the end, you're going to add the bechamel, lots of parmesan, bake for 40 minutes at 375 degrees covered, then uncover and bake another 10 minutes and enjoy the most amazing vegetarian lasagna. For the full recipe, go to my YouTube channel, Dainty Bite.